Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'll be showing you how to change Slack channel name. So let's start. First, open your Slack workspace and navigate to the channel you want to rename. After that, right click on the channel name, then a menu will appear, and here, click on View Channel Details. That will open a pop-up window where you can edit channels details. In the pop-up window, click on the Edit button next to the channel name. Then enter the new name of the channel in this field. Once done renaming, click on this Save Changes button to successfully rename this channel. It is important to note that only members with the appropriate permissions can rename a channel. If you don't see the Edit button, you may not have the necessary permissions to rename the channel. In this case, you will need to contact the workspace owner or the workspace administrator to request permission to rename the channel. So that's it for our video. If you wanted to know how to change Slack channel name, that is the easiest way I know how. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, kindly give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much and see you on the next video.